Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download Clash Royale application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end. To download your Clash Royale application on Android device, firstly go ahead and open your Play Store. On the search box at the top, type in Clash Royale and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Tap on the application and simply click on Install button to start the downloading process. While downloading an application, make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Play button to launch the application. Open the application and that is how you will be able to download your Clash Royale application on your Android device quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.